Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Dodge Charger using an easy method. First, locate the fuse box under the hood. Check the 10-amp fuse number 12 and the 10-amp fuse number 39, which power the AC clutch and its relay. Also, inspect relay number 43. Ensure your blower motor is working and that no check engine light is illuminated, as these can disable the AC system. Addressing these simple electrical components first can often resolve common AC issues quickly. Next, let's check your refrigerant level. Find the low-pressure charging port, usually on the larger diameter AC line. Connect an AC recharge kit with a built-in gauge to this port. With the engine running and AC on high, slowly add R134, a refrigerant. Monitor the gauge to ensure you do not overfill the system, as too much refrigerant can also cause problems. Stop adding when the gauge indicates the correct pressure range. Now inspect your AC compressor and clutch. With the engine off, try to manually spin the outer part of the compressor clutch. It should turn freely. Then, start the engine and turn on the AC. Observe if the center of the clutch engages and spins with the pulley. You should hear a distinct click when it engages. If it doesn't engage or spin, the clutch or compressor might be faulty, or there could be an electrical issue. Finally, perform some additional checks. Look for any visible leaks on the AC lines or components, which might appear as oily residue. If your air temperature is inconsistent, consider a faulty blend door actuator, which controls air mixing. For more complex issues, like a persistent leak or a non-engaging compressor after these basic checks, it is best to consult a qualified automotive technician for a thorough diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.